Alright, hello my fellow investors, City Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my portfolio and what my plans are from here to January. Now, between here and January, the market's going to be very fluctuated. So, what I do during the end of the year, usually what businesses do, they make their profits and then they sell off at the end of the year. They do that with most companies, so usually the market tends to start crashing towards the end of the year. What I do there is get a big chunk of money and I invest it. So, for me, my stocks, especially here in Robinhood, are long-term investment stocks. They all pay a dividend. From Stag to T-Mobile to Coca-Cola, Realty Income, Apple, and Diamondback, all these stocks, they pay a dividend. So I feel safe with them. The only ones that are kind of risky is Stag and Fang. I mean, Stag is something that I'm just going to kind of wait for and see what happens. I mean, it could have potential good growth. Like I said, they own land where the Amazon warehouses are in. I mean, they're making profits, all that good stuff. So I'm thinking they're going to go up and double within the next like 2-3 years. So I'm going to check that out, see what happens. Same thing with Fang. Fang, I think by the end of the year is probably going to be double in price. So I'm just going to wait up on that and get that dividend. So that's my term for that. AT&T, Coke, and Realty Income and Apple are just stocks that I'm just going to keep for the rest of my life. I mean, I'm not really worried about them unless something really bad happens to them, then I'm going to sell off. But at the moment, they pay great dividends, except Apple, and I mean, they're pure growth stocks. So, T-Mobile, Realty Income, and Coca-Cola are the main ones that I'm focused on at the moment. So if by December 31st, the stock market starts crashing like they are right now, especially with T-Mobile, I'm jumping in, I'm buying. So what I pretty much do is like, if I see like AT&T like today, it dropped. I mean, I'm saying, hey, I'm gonna invest like $10,000 in AT&T. So I invest $1,000. If it keeps dropping, I put in another thousand. If it keeps dropping, I put in another thousand. And let's say my limit for today is like 4,000. If tomorrow it keeps dropping, then I'm putting on another 4,000. Maybe if it drops too much, then I put 10,000. So I mean, I know where the stock is gonna go. So if it hits up anywhere under $29, then I'm like jumping in heavy. So that's like the thing that I kind of have the outlook for now. So kind of same thing with Coca-Cola. If it drops to 52, 51, then I'm buying like crazy. So, I mean, I own a lot of shares of these. My thing is buying into investment stocks that slowly grow, that pay a great dividend. So when I reinvest that, my portfolio could grow much quicker. You get me? And that's the thing that I look for in Robinhood, mainly with these long-term investment stocks. Now, I do play around in the market, like I said. I do swing trade and day trade. DKNG, if you followed me on that, check out that video. I mean, if you followed what I did there, we made huge profits, like I said. Same thing with, a couple of other stocks like Venom and stuff like that. That we made some moves there. We made some good swing trades, but for me, I'm kind of done for this year swing trading and day trading because I've kind of reached that limit of how much I make a year. If I go to the next bracket, and I'm going to be paying a lot more money, so I don't want to do that. So like I said, I've reached my limit, and I'm just going to wait for next year. Next year, I'm going to go more aggressively on swing trading and day trading. So if you want to follow my videos, please subscribe. I'm going to be showing you that, guys. I'm going to be showing you what moves I make so I can help more people out. Like, I haven't been doing it a lot here on YouTube because, I mean, I'm helping out my cousins and some family members, like they want to invest. So I'm showing them how to invest and I'm kind of telling them where to jump in, where to jump out. I mean, I helped a lot of my friends go from 5,000 to 50,000 in this past like 6 months. So, I mean, that's a really good amount of money that I'm thinking that I should be helping you guys out more, and I'm going to be doing that more, especially starting next year. Now, there's a lot I can say. There's a lot of information I have about NEO, the stock. So, I mean, if you guys want to check that out, I mean, I'm going to do some research. I mean, I've done heavy research on NEO. So, I mean, this stock has potential. Like I said, a lot of people criticize me because of this stock. And it's just because I told them the truth. People don't like hearing bad things about stuff they like. So, I mean, I have information about this stock that can make it or break it. And if it follows the way I'm researching it, then you can either make a crack ton of money or you can lose everything. So stay tuned for that video. But again, like I said, these investment stocks that I have right now, I'm going to jump into them and I'm just going to be slowly growing that portfolio so I can get more and more dividends. Like I said, those dividends build up. And when that thing starts compounding, easy money, like I said. I will show you guys my other portfolio, but I have to learn how to like scribble out my account number and stuff like that, because when I log in and I try to record it, it records my account number and all that stuff, and I'm not going to put that information out there. I'm just not. People can hack into it and steal your stuff. So, I mean, I have a lot of money there. So I'm not going to take that risk. But as you see in my old, like, previous videos, I have, like the stuff of my portfolio when, you know, I had, like, what was it? Like, I think it was, like, 20,000 shares of Apple. And, like, back when I had, like, a smaller portion, you know, I had, like, over, like, $400,000 in that portfolio, and then it's grown so much since then. But I mean, I haven't showed that because they changed their platform and now it shows the account number, so I can't be showing you videos of that. But I stick with Robinhood because it's a simple thing that everybody's using and making it simple. But I've rented out so much, so I mean, I'll be giving you a brief about my stocks later on in the future, and I'll show you guys how to like get your tax information and do that later with Robinhood. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm finally showing my face, I guess, because people said, hey, you need to show your face. And I'm like, okay, I mean, I really don't know how to do this whole thing, YouTube thing. So, I mean, I'm just doing whatever I can, and I'm trying to get out the information so you guys can just have that information, you know? I mean, I'm not going to be a big YouTube guy. I'm just here to actually make you guys money, make myself some money, and make you guys learn. So again, thank you for everything. Use the link in the description down below to get free stocks for Robinhood and Weibull, all that good stuff. I mean, I said too much, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace out.